Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Mason. I'm a photographer and filmmaker based in Lagos, Nigeria. And yeah, I'm not like at home. As you guys can see, I'm in the apartment where I stay when I'm in Abuja working for this particular company. But anyways, let's just get straight into today's video, and that is me switching from a Mac to PC. Basically, yeah, I know a lot of people do not want to hear things like this, but yeah, I will be switching from a Mac to a PC. Now, this is my Mac right here. I use a 2015 MacBook Pro. It's kind of maxed out, 512 SSD instead of 1TB, but it is maxed out, 16 gig RAM, has like a dedicated graphics card. It is, but let me tell you about my history with like MacBook Pros first, and I'll tell you why I'm switching, then I'll also tell you what I'm switching to. So I started using the Mac in 2013 or 2014, and it was like, it changed my editing forever, because before then I was using a Windows PC and I had so many issues because the screen was kind of like bluish. It had this bluish tint to it. So I'd have to send files to my phone to check how they look, then go back to my PC to edit and correct it. So it gave me so many issues. But when I switched to a Mac and I calibrated my screen, it just became like perfect for me. It was like I could not just imagine not using the Mac. By the way, the way the OS and the hardware kind of like work together, it's just seamless. You would never have any issues. I don't think I've ever had my Mac hang on me or stop working. It's just worked perfectly. It is a powerhouse. So I really love the Macs, and like especially the MacBook Pros and Mac OS. Works perfectly. Now, the biggest problem is at that point I was only doing photography, and now I'm doing photography and videos, and I use Premiere Pro. If you use Premiere Pro, you know that it just does not work with Macs. The same file that you edit in Final Cut, and it will just go seamlessly through the timeline, and the playback will be seamless. The rendering time will be so quick and fast. If you try that on Premiere Pro, it's just going to be terrible. It'll be a nightmare. It keeps skipping, keeps hanging when you're trying to play back. It's just a nightmare to edit with Premiere Pro on a Mac. Probably maybe when you have like the new iMac Pros and all that, it will change it, but I can't afford that right now, even though I really love the whole Mac OS and everything that comes with it. You know, the how the software seamlessly integrates with the hardware. It's just almost perfect, trust me. So that's the major reason why I'm going to be switching from a Mac to a PC, because I use Premiere Pro and I'm not ready to start learning Final Cut all over again from the beginning. I just want to stick with Premiere Pro. I just want to stick with Premiere Pro. There are some things in Premiere Pro that I really like the lumetri color and all those things. It's just perfect for me, and I just want to keep my workflow the way it is. So what PC am I going to be getting? I will be getting the Dell XPS, the 2018 Dell XPS. I'm still saving for it. Dell, you can sponsor this channel by sending me one, or you guys can send me funds to buy it, but I'm still saving for it. I really want to get that laptop. I'm thinking about getting the one with the Core i9 chip. That's the 8th generation Core i9. It would be perfect. I heard it is like the best PC, or it will be the best PC for creators when it comes out, but we'll see, who knows. But yeah, I'm not scared of trying new things, and neither should you. So if you use a Mac and you're just a photographer, or you're a photographer and you're a filmmaker and you use Final Cut, then the whole MacBook Pros, iMac, the Mac operating system would be, I don't know, priceless for you. Just be fantastic and it'll work for you. But if you use Premiere Pro like I do, then you definitely run into problems of, you know, the playback, the rendering times and all that not being seamless. If you edit videos, you would love if your timeline would just, you know, the playback would just play seamlessly for you on your timeline. So that's about it. That's the major reason why I'm going to be switching from a MacBook Pro to a Dell XPS 15 laptop. If I have enough money, then I'll buy the new Mac and just keep it as just my random photo editing, I don't know, laptop, who knows. But yeah, but for now, I have my heart set to buying a Dell XPS. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not doing a comparison. Both of them are like, I'm not doing a comparison video. Both of them are great laptops. So anyone you get will definitely work for you, as long as it works for whatever you want to do. So thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thumbs up if you love this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content like retouching, behind the scenes, whatever. Very soon, gear reviews when they start sending me stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great week.